Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, let me put in a couple of disclaimers. If my face looks red, chafed, peely, and things like just real crazy, it's because I am going through a peeling situation. I'm trying to get my skin back on track. Got a lot going on with like peels and stuff going on. So don't pay attention to that, all right? Hopefully after the quarantine, you know, we can have some glass skin or maybe not. So anyways, now that I've gotten it out of the way, because I don't want y'all to think something wrong with me or some weird crap is going on. So I'm also going to be trying out a new product. Now, this is not sponsored, not getting paid. They didn't send me this. I just picked this up in my local beauty supply store because I see a lot of people rant and rave about it. So this is what it's called. All right, so it is called Edge Boost. If it'll focus, and it probably won't. But anyway, it's called Edge Boost. So this is what it looks like. So they have a lot of different strengths of this and also a lot of different smells. So I got mine in the sweet peach scent, and I did get the strong hold. I got the number 5. They have a 1 through 5 hold, and it says strong hold and high shine with natural argan oil, which is good. So the instructions say that you can apply this on damp hair or dry hair. So we're gonna see how this works out. So the scent that I got is the sweet peach, and it smells like jam, and I'm hopefully it doesn't react like jam because I hate jam. So anyways, we'll see. I don't want to ramble on too much, so I'm just gonna be doing a quick style. And if you're interested in seeing how I feel about this product and seeing how this hairstyle come out, keep watching because I don't know how it's gonna come out. Alright guys, so I'm going in with a little bit of detangler. This is my favorite kind. It's by Cream of Nature, and it will be linked down below, okay? So I'm just using this to kind of get my hair a bit more manageable and a little bit more soft before I actually start the styling, okay? So this part is optional, but you know, I don't want to just like rip my hair out and just, you know, be all rough with my hair, okay? So now I'm going in with the Edge Boost. It is coming out kind of like a gel, kind of like a thick gel, like, you know, edge control or whatever, the normal type of texture. So I'm just applying it to all of my hair. The instructions do say that you can apply all over your hair. Right here, I'm so pissed because the band did pop. So yeah, had to get another band, but anyways, I just applied that all over my hair, and the instructions said it can be on wet or dry hair. So my hair is kind of damp here because I did use the detangling spray. So this is what it looks like after kind of holding everything in. Doesn't look too bad. It's got a nice little shine to it, okay? So now I'm going in with my little donut bun, and I'm just applying that. It's kind of easy. You're just gonna comb your hair around it and tuck everything in. All right, so that is pretty much what it's looking like. The bun is like huge. Try to make it a little smaller, but didn't work out. But anywho guys, this is the look that I have, and yeah, stay tuned for the in-depth review. All right y'all, so I am done with this look. So let me kind of show you guys what my hair looks like. So I have not done a actual texturizer because y'all know I'm texturized. I haven't done one in, ooh, I don't know. I think it's been about 3 or 4 months. So I still have a while to go, because you guys know that if you've been following me for a long time, I only do them every like, I've really spaced it out a lot. So I'm going to say 6 to 12 months now. I know 12 months is, you know, a really long time, but I try to go as long as I can. It used to be 6 to 8 months, but I try to, you know, push the limit and even go a little bit longer if I can. So my roots, like my hair is really nappy. So but this is what I got. This bun is real small, but they didn't have like a lot of different sizes. The other size that they had was just ridiculous. It was like this big, and I was like, I am not finna use that. That's gonna look dumb and not natural. So I would say my hair looks okay. I think the edge control held it down pretty alright. I'm really not used to wearing my real hair out. I'm trying it because we're on quarantine, and I'm like, you know, trying to do different stuff. But I don't know, I just kind of just don't like it just because I never wear my hair out. I don't like my forehead to be out. But as far as this stuff goes, I think it's okay. I mean, it didn't really give me that. And for me to have the number 5 hold, and this right here was like $9 or whatever, for me to have like the, you know, number 5, I thought it was just gonna, you know what I'm saying, like really, like, I mean, I've used some edge controls just like really suck my edges in and lay them down, but I don't know, I ain't really feeling it all that much. I don't know, I don't think it's really worth the price. Now the Cantu one, and I don't know if this is gonna turn white or not or whatever, but the Cantu, not Cantu, I'm sorry, the Cream of Nature edge control, I really like that. I used to use that a lot, especially when I used to do hair and stuff, and that was good, but it would turn white. That was the only bad thing about the Cantu. So I don't know, y'all, we'll see. It just didn't lay my hair down how I thought it was gonna lay my hair down. Like, I thought I was gonna have just like a drastic, like sleeked out look, like, you know, but nah, I ain't really getting that look. I don't know. I say it's all right. Try it out, y'all. Like I be telling y'all, take everything I say with a grain of salt. Just because something does work for me or something doesn't work for me does not mean that you'll have that same effect, okay? Because a lot of people like this, and I wanted to like it so bad. Of course, I'm gonna use this up because this was $9, okay? $9. They have a bigger one. I think that's almost $20, okay? But yeah, this $9, so it's definitely gonna get used, but it's not my favorite. I don't know, it's not my favorite. It's just not my favorite. But let me know what you guys think about it. How do you like it? What do you guys think of this little style? You know, it's real old school, nothing special, just a regular little donut bun in the back. But let me know what you guys think about the style. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you like the edge control? Do you not like the edge control? We'll discuss that in the comments. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye. Okay, now this is just a hot mess. So this is a little less than 4 hours after doing my hair. As you guys can see, I did take the bun out, but this right here is a mess. My boyfriend was like, your hair was cute, but what is all that in it? And I didn't know what he was talking about. This crowd was turning white and it was getting messy. It looked a hot mess, y'all. I was so pissed. I would not be using this stuff anymore. And not only did it turn white, guys, it did not want to come out of my hair, like, at all. It was stuck. It was like glue, like Elmer's glue in my hair. I had to actually use Dawn in my hair to strip it and to break it all down because this stuff literally would not come out. Like, my hair was coming out and everything. Like, this was such a bad experience. I'm throwing this stuff away. It was basically a waste of money, and this it. Like, that is the end of this. I don't know if anyone else has had this problem. I don't know what exactly happened. Not sure if I used too much or what, but this right here is a hot mess. A hot mess. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I would never use this again. I'm so pissed. No, I do not recommend this product. And look, just use it at your own will, okay? Like I be saying, take everything I say with a grain of salt. Just because I had a bad experience does not mean you will have a bad experience. But honey, I just don't know, because the way it had my hair clumped and matted up, it didn't want to come out. I literally had to wash my hair over 7 times and strip it with Dawn, and my hair came out. So this is terrible. I would not recommend. Okay, goodbye.